In this video, we're going to learn how to find the center of a data set using the median or the mode. Let's start off with some definitions. A measure of center is how you can describe an entire data set using one number. So it's a single number that represents like an average value of a data set. The three most common measures of center are mean, median, and mode. You may have learned about these in elementary school. We're just going to be reviewing them very briefly in this class. The median is the middle number of an ordered set of values. So that's not the average the way sometimes we think of it. That's the mean. The median is that middle number. And the mode is the most frequently repeated value. Make sure you have all these definitions down before you move on. All right, so first, how do you find the median? Well, remember that our definition said that the median is the middle number in an ordered set of values. Right now, these are not in order. So your first step is to rewrite them in order. So 0, 2, 4, 5, 10. Now that they're in order, I need to find the middle one. So I'm going to count up how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the middle one must have an equal number on each side, 2 on each side, leaving me with my center value of 4. In elementary school, you may have learned to cross out numbers on each side going in. I think that's a little risky because sometimes you can then trick yourself into thinking that you're at the middle when really you're not. But you can do that as well. I always like to count and then divide it in half and figure out where I land. So this is the way it works out if you have an odd number of data values. You end up right in the middle with one number. Let's see what happens when you have an even number of numbers. All right, so now we have an even number of numbers, but once again, we have to start off by putting them in order. 0, 2, 2, 4, 6, and 7. So now when I count them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Well, the middle is going to be with 3 on one side and 3 on the other. And I need the middle number. There is no middle number, so I have to go halfway between the 2 and the 4. Well, that would be 3. So when there are an even number of numbers, then you need to go halfway in between the two middle numbers. Now, what about the mode? Mode works a little bit differently. Mode is asking you which number is repeated most often. So in example 1, we have 1, 2, 3 2s, and none of the other numbers repeat more often than that. So the mode is 2 because there's 3 of them. And the next closest thing is 2 4s, but there's 3 2s. Now, what about in example 2? Here, we have a 1, a 3, a 6, a 7, and a 10. Nothing repeats. That means that there is no mode. Unlike a median, where there's always a median, there's not always a mode. All right, now it is time for your practice problem. So now you have a much bigger data set and you need to find both the median and the mode of this data set. So don't forget to start by putting them in order when you're finding the median. We will check this in class tomorrow.